Alright, on our way up to the beach, and we're going to use all our words. We're going to the beach, and so we're picking out different phrases that we can use. We use washi tape to tab out the phrases we want for the day, and we're going to do let's go in the shade. We're stopping to pee. So how do you say I need to go pee? 我是要去尿尿。我是要尿尿。我是要去尿尿。我是要去尿尿。Alright, so we practice. It's let's go in the shade. 我们去阴凉处吧。我们去阴凉处吧。我们去阴凉处吧。我们去阴凉处吧。我们去阴凉处吧。我们去阴凉处吧。阴凉处吧。Alright, so we'll practice a bunch more times before we get there, right? And then when we see shade, we're gonna say let's go in the shade. Ready? 我们去阴凉处吧。我们去阴凉处吧。阴凉处吧。Alright, we made it. You really want to go in the water? How do you say, let's go swimming? 我们去游泳吧。What does that mean?
That means the ocean.
The ocean is so big. What are you doing? 我们需要去上防晒霜. That means I need to put. We need to put on sunblock. 防晒霜. 不要碰我龟. 不要碰我龟. That means don't touch the turtle. How about chin? Chin 不要碰我龟. 乌龟.
Touch the turtle.
No. Chin is please.
Oh, please.
Chin.
Please don't touch the turtle. 我们去阴凉处吧.
我们去阴凉处吧. And then where are we going?
Get in the shade.
Get in the shade?
Well, wait, does it mean like get in the shade or go to the shade?
Let's go in the shade, I think. Alright. We want to do the ocean is so big. Hi Shinamida.
Hi Shinamida.
你饿吗？你们饿吗？我非常饿. So I said, are you hungry? And then Marky said he's very hungry.
No.
我非常饿.
No.
Wait, 你们想吃什么?
How do you say I'm not hungry?
我不饿. What do you want then? 你们想吃什么? What do you want to eat? You want water? You want dog water? You're Tango Hombre?
How do you say milkshake?
I don't know how to say milkshake. You better learn that.
I'm going to say shui, which it means like the drink from the cafe.
Shui water? Alright.
Oh, wait, no. I said
Let's go. Zamanzoba. So our question of Nishang Cheshima, that's what do you want to eat, led us to here. And we all got different stuff. Boba. Thai food. You want some? Good? We're all done.
我非常饿. I'm hungry.
What do you want to eat? Boba. So this guy is a grown man, and apparently I need to remind him to put sunblock on.
You like my flip-flops?
Because he burned his feet. So not only do I have to tell the kids, 我们需要去上防晒霜, I apparently have to tell him too.
You do. That's true love right there. That's the absence of true love.
Absence of true love?
Sunburned.
That I didn't tell you?
Yep.
Sorry. 对不